sa bawat isa. Tunay nga pong hindi mapapatayan ang pagmamahal ng ating mga nanay at sila po ang nagsisilbing ilaw ng ating mga tahanan. Sabi nga po sa salita ng Diyos sa Proverbs chapter 31 verse 25 to 31.
She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come. 26. She speaks with wisdom and faithful instruction is under her tongue.
27. She watches over the affairs of her household and does not eat the bread of idleness.
28. Her children arises and call her blessed, her husband also who praises her.
29. Many women do noble things but we surpass them all.
30. Charm is deceptive but beauty is fleeting, and the woman who fears the Lord is to be praised.
And 31, honor her for all that her hands have done, and let her work bring her praise at the city gate. At ang awiting ito ay handog namin sa bawat nanay na naririnig.
Thank